A few moments later. A few moments later.
So this is my bike na Drinks 189 Quest 29er. Ito ay aluminum 6061 and yung fork naman nito is Segment K3 na aluminum rin. Ito ay pang 29er. Yung group set pa lang ito is L2A3 na pang 3x8 speed. Yung RD niya is L2A3 FD L2A3. Yung crank nito is pro wheel na crank, alloy crank arm, at pang 3x ito. Yung cogs nito is 8 speed na thread type pa. Yung hydraulic brakes nito is X-Part. Yung handlebar pala nito is Trubative handlebar na alloy. Yung stem nito is Mountain Peak na short stem alloy rin. Yung tires nito is Kenda 29x2.1. Yung rims nito is alloy. Yung spokes is steel. Yung hub is steel rin na thread type sa likuran and quick release sa harap. And may rotor na 160mm front and rear. Yung saddle nito is stock with drinks and yung seat post nito is drinks rin na may 27.2 na diameter. May cyclo computer rin ito na Cat-Eye Velo 7. Again, this is the Drinks 189 Quest na 29er. Keep safe mga kapadyak.